Hello guys, and welcome to a new video. On today's video I want to show you how to change the oil on your 2015 Range Rover Evoque, the Pure model. It has a 2.0 liter turbo engine, and then we're gonna be changing the filter and the oil on it. So first thing we want to do is I usually use a motor flush. This here, this is called a synthetic flush. So you just put it in the engine, let it run for like 15 minutes, and then you can drain it. It'll clean all the parts in the engine. So we're gonna open this guy, and then we're gonna open this. We're gonna pour all of it inside. Okay, next thing we want to do is we want to run the engine. We're gonna turn the car on. Okay. All right. Yeah, now we're gonna let it run for about 15 minutes. Alright guys, so next thing you guys want to do is want to grab a 15mm wrench, and we're gonna open our oil drain plug. Make sure you get one of these boxes, only $3, $4 at Walmart. Then we're gonna go here to our plug right there, and what I did to get this loose, I held it there with my hand. Let's see, and then I hit it with the hammer. Okay, so you guys want to hit it like that, and then it'll get loose if it's tight. So now it's loose for me because I did it before. Okay. You just want to make sure it's right under this, maybe a little bit more behind, and then you'll open this. Okay, let's line it up well. Let's line it up in there. Okay, there. Ooh, that's pretty black. It's pretty dirty, that oil.
Hey Goose, did you throw away the...
Alright guys, so now what I would do so that if it finishes draining, so now it's draining a little bit, okay, but I do like to turn the car on for about 10 or 15 seconds, and then that's gonna let all the excess oil inside the lifters, so it's gonna flush the rest of the oil. So we're gonna turn the car on again. Okay, you can hear the lifters making the noise because there's no oil, so we turn the car off again. See how there's more oil coming out, so you want to make sure you do that. Okay, so we're gonna let it drain for another 5 or 10 minutes. So the oil that we're gonna use, it's a full synthetic 530, okay, and then the filter we're gonna use is gonna be I use this STP 3614XL. Okay, so you guys want to make sure you get this the right kind, and then after I finish with everything, I'm gonna add this system cleaner. It's a fuel cleaner, so it's gonna help it with the performance. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our car. Still dripping oil. Okay, and then you just want to remove your oil filter. The oil filter is located behind this hose. Okay, so it's not too hot, so you guys can probably untwist it with your hands, or you always want to use a rag. Make sure you guys use a rag, but we want to make sure it's finished draining all the oil. Wow, that oil really needed to be changed. Okay, I spilled a little bit on the ground, but we're gonna clean this, so it's fine. Okay. Okay guys, so what you want to do next is put your drain plug back in the car. Thing's still dripping. It'll drip for a while. You guys can either let it drip for another hour or two if you want, or you can leave it here overnight, and for sure it'll be completely clean. But I just want to do a quick oil change and get it over with. So we're gonna put our drain plug back. Okay, we're gonna make it tight in just a second. Next thing you want to do is get the filter out of the car. So just twist it. You're gonna have to twist. You can see it from here. No, yeah, there. Just twist. Should be empty now, but it might drip. Okay. Yuck. That is really dirty oil. Okay, so it's trash. Okay guys, now you probably want to get this thing tight with your number 15. Should do it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put this guy. You want to get sure this part gets wet. You make it wet, put some oil around it, okay? That way we don't get any leaks coming from there. So just grab all the oil. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to film and work at the same time. Okay. With that on, we're gonna put this back into our vehicle. All right. It's probably the hardest part. I'm gonna have to use both hands, so I'm gonna have to stop filming for a second. Alright guys, so next thing you wanna do is add this oil. We're gonna open this cap again. We're gonna put our funnel there. Let me set the phone here and see if it will stay. Maybe here. Okay. Yeah, that should be okay. Should work, okay? So now we're gonna add our oil. Okay. So it takes about 5 quarts. I'm gonna use this bottle here. It's a total of 4. Actually, it's 5 quarts. So we're gonna use the whole bottle. Probably sometimes if you want to add something to the oil, some oil cleaner, something for the oil, like one of those high mileage products, you can do 4 quarts and leave space for whatever you want to add in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm only gonna use 4 quarts. Okay, you do want to check your oil level. So we're gonna check our oil here. Okay, we do need more. All right, so we're gonna check again. I think we're at our specified amount that we need to add, so let's check again. Okay, you can't really tell. May just let it sit for a bit. And let's try one more time. Okay, so let's add a little bit more. Okay. So I put almost all of it. Let's try again. All right, guys. So it looks like we are at our level here, where we need to be. Okay, so finish putting everything in. Okay, let's see how much oil you can see in our dipstick. Okay, so I think it's halfway, but we should be okay because we added the whole bottle. Okay, so we're gonna make sure this is closed, and that's how you change your oil in your car. Now you want to turn the car on. Make sure you guys there's no leaks. Alright guys, and then if you guys have the undercarriage cover, you guys want to put that back. Thank you guys for watching again. I hope this helped you guys to save around 200 bucks, sometimes even 300 bucks. Here at the local oil change place, it's around 200. I think they charged me 290 bucks. So you guys will only be spending 60 bucks with the box, the filter, and the oil. So you guys should do this. Don't overpay for this stuff. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe if you like the video, like it, comment. If you have any questions, let me know guys. Thanks again. Bye.